Morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning. And it's Thursday, so it's claims day. It also happens to be CPI day. This is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 804. And I remind you again, please hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, but it helps support us. Okay, CPI for the month up 0.6%. That was a little hotter than expected at 0.5. Ex food and energy, it was actually up 0.7 on a year-over-year basis. The number was up 5%, which is pretty hefty. Ex food and energy, for those that don't eat or drive, was up 3.8%, and that's the highest number since 1972. On the claims numbers, 376,000, that was pretty much as expected and was down 9,000, and continuing claims just under 3.499 million. A look at where the index futures were before the number. We were up 72 on the Dow. We're now up 25. The NASDAQ was down 19. It's now down 68. And the S&P was up 350. It's now down 6. And the 10-year, which was trading around 149.9, 150, bounced up to 151.6. I would expect that the Dow futures will come back a bit. The gold was down 16, and the chart on the screen shows it is down 17. So really not much of an effect on the gold. In news, the ECB is continuing their bond buying, and their comment today was that it will be higher than in the first couple of months of the year. Not really sure what that means, except that they're helping their economies along just a little bit bigger. The Keystone XL pipeline finally abandoned by Canada. The only thing that I see that has any move at all versus that is KMI, Kinder Morgan, which is the biggest pipeline operator in the U.S., and that stock is $18.93, up a dime. Manitowoc, which is the big trucking and earth-moving equipment, symbol MTW, cyber attack, doesn't seem to be doing anything to the stock. The stock is actually $26.12 unchanged. GME, GameStop, to sell 5 million more shares. The stock is currently trading $278, down $25.46, or 8%. And Signet Jewelers, which has been the biggest of dogs, we were actually shorted at about 134 the year before last. It got down into single digits. Today it's $65.50, up $4.46 on a beat both top and bottom line and big forward guidance. So that one is up 7.3%. Being mall-based, not really terrific, but that's the way it is. And JBS Meats has confirmed that it didn't pay $4.3 million. It paid $11 million to the ransomware people, and that's quite a bit more. That $2.3 million recovered by the government is not almost half. It's less than a quarter. Okay, so the S&P is now down $2. That's a little improvement. The Dow is up 48.86. That's an improvement. And the NASDAQ is down 52. So futures are bouncing back a little after the numbers. All right, everyone, I'll be back later in the day. Oh, I wanted to show everyone the chart on the Bitcoin. Because in dealing with this, I've often said that because there is no intrinsic value, it trades on a technical basis and it trades classically. And the only thing that I can call this is a test, with a higher low, a bounce off, the 200-day moving average and a rally back. Obviously, 39,194, where the 20-day comes into play, is a problem. 40,000 with all of these highs is a problem, but as of right now, we've made a higher low and we are working higher. And as long as I'm here on the futures, let's take a look at my favorite one, which is the nat gas, because we're long it, and it too is trading really well. We had this big move up, essentially from $3 to almost $3.20. We had a little bit of a pullback yesterday, and this morning we are on the upside. This close at 316.40 is the high close recently. There's another higher close in here at 321.9. But as of right now, we break 320. That 321.9 is clearly going to be in sight. All right, everyone, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll be back later in the day.